Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Today we're gonna continue paint with palette knives and we're gonna combine these tools with brushes and even with a little bit of toothbrush paint. This is the second tutorial from the mini serial about the spiky texture that can be created with the palette knives, and want to remind you we painted with it before. The very first tutorial was about the blue shutters, and the second, the previous one, with a full landscape. Today we will paint a composition with a tiny waterfall. Size not big, it's 18-24 centimeters. We're still learning, right? We still need to try some colors, some combinations. And when we're learning any new technique, it's actually the best way to go slowly with the small paintings first, because this way you can fast try and understand your favorite combinations, your favorite type of brush strokes, because the spiky texture can be very different compared to the type of acrylic using heavy body giving one look, or soft body of acrylic giving another look. My favorite one, steel soft type, it's giving nice texture, very pointy needles can be done with it. Also, the layer still not thick, it's still soft type of acrylic, and this way texture looking gentle, very interesting. We're gonna use this texture now not everywhere, only for the tree crowns, and stones will be done with another type of the palette knife stroke. So first we have to understand the composition, where and what we gonna create. So for the first, I'm planning future tree crowns, future forest with just flat brush strokes, easily possible to understand colors, combinations of them, and I think I like for this tutorial yellow and green the most, so it's gonna have maybe the summer vibes. Well, I'm still missing summer, you know. I love autumn, to be honest. I love fall season because of the beautiful colors. But well, it's always reminding me that the next season gonna be the winter, and I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest. Yes, I like it outside of the city, but in the city, winter not turning to same beauty, you know. So we're applying colors, very light, May green, a lot of yellow on top of the crowns and far from us, and more dark and beautiful green for the foreground. Next, just let me remind you, we are gonna dry it before next detailing process. Also, little notice about stones. Remember, it's not just brown. It's not just different shades of a brown, like light and the dark mixed with the black maybe. Stones can be so different. Marble is gray, it can be white, it can be bluish. Other kind of stones can look as a red, brown as well. It can have stripes, dots, so many beautiful details. So just try to look at it with all of attention. I mean, on those photos we have from the real nature. I think palette knife giving very interesting texture first, and second, we can imitate stones through the stroke, through the short strokes of palette knife. It's giving beautiful stripes of multiple colors inside. Later, we will just fix shape a little bit. We will create shadows there where it needs, and maybe some strong highlights on top of the stones. But the brushstroke, the beauty of it, we will keep it till the end. Next, it's a river, nice and beautiful blue, mixed with the green, giving us emerald. And remember about air perspective. Well, so many things needs to be remembered, Here on YouTube, you can check my demonstration versions. They are usually short, but in just 15 minutes possible to understand the idea of the long tutorial, so I think it's quite helpful. If you want to paint with me step by step with detailed instructions about each step, you can follow me on Patreon, and link possible to find down below. It's not only about this tutorial. For my subscribers, available more than 100 tutorials already. So immediately, as soon as you will subscribe and join me, you will open access to them. I have 2 tiers, roses and peonies, and detailed info about tutorials and what available for what tier you also can find on a Patreon, so join me there. Real-time version going for 1 hour and just 5 minutes. Thank you everyone who joining me here. Thank you for watching and your support. My friends, my painting done. Hopefully you like how it turned. If you do, thumbs up. And if you like to paint, if you're looking for fresh idea for your paintings, subscribe me, join me, and we're gonna create more paintings in the future. And was it PaintyKat? I'll catch you on my next videos. Bye bye.